Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm not going to ramble on for too long. This video is obviously, as you can see from the title, it was my Nyx Face Awards entry. Nyx Face Awards entry. It's a half a glamorous look, and the other half I used my dangling eyeball that I made, which I also put a video up of how I did that. I had loads of fun doing this look. The eyeball, the dangling eyeball, was absolutely grotesque. It was good. There's things I would definitely change. The eyeball, I wanted to look like it burst out, and I had like ripped eyelids and stuff. I think there's definitely bits and pieces that I could have changed to make that look more realistic. I mean, I made my eyelids, and it's all the first time I've done that as well, so I'm pretty pleased, and I've learnt for next time of how I could make it better. I hope you'll enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel to see more, and just to see how, hopefully, how I progress in life. I will see you all next time. Please comment below, or if you've got any tips of what I could have done differently, that would be excellent as well. And I will see you all next time. See you later. Bye.